Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Spice recently launched her clothing boutique, Gracie Noir, in Atlanta. The virtual launch and reveal was held live on her Instagram yesterday, where her 3 million followers got the opportunity to witness the opening of her store. During the event, Spice also shared with viewers the first look at some of her exclusive pieces. Spice announced her Gracie Noir brand back in September when she asked fans to assist in selecting her logo. Gracie Noir is currently located in Atlanta. However, Spice noted that plans are in place to have a launch event in Jamaica soon. Gracie Noir follows her hair and beauty brand Faces and Laces that was also recently launched. Now, media mogul Simone Clark Cooper is returning to your TV screens with season 2 of the television series Sim Soul Sessions come Monday. The inspiring series has made its way into the hearts and souls of Jamaicans with triumphant stories from many influential Jamaicans. Simone shared with E-Prime details on season 1.
The show is special because the people who choose to come on are open to sharing the aspects of their lives that they open up about in a way that people have not seen before, and it helps people to say, oh my God, so and so went through this. I couldn't believe when I watched and heard her say or heard him say, but he or she looks so successful. And so the common thread in all of us is that we are human beings and we all go through struggles, and I think the beauty of the show is the willingness of the folks who come on to share those struggles to help other people.
Now, the anticipated season 2 will open with The Voice US winner and songbird Sanchin.
I chose Tess because I think there are a lot of things that that Tess has gone through that she hasn't yet spoken about. She's loved by Jamaicans all across the world. She's loved by the world. She was a winner of The Voice 7 years ago, and we haven't really, since she came home, gotten a chance to sit and talk to her about certain things. She's done interviews, but I find that once you sit in this soul session space, even interviews and folks that you would have seen interviewed on other programs, these interviews always tend to be a little different.
Season 2 of Sim Soul Sessions premieres on Monday night at 8:30 right here on TVJ. Now, carnival and dancehall lovers are in for a treat tomorrow night as Fame Frequency Soca Meets Dancehall is set to take over the airwaves and online. The event will feature Soca Blazers, Arab Supercoop Cooper and DJ Franco, who will join dancehall setters for the night, DJ Tropical and DJ Xavier, for an unforgettable night of soca and dancehall hits. Fame Frequency Soca Meets Dancehall airs live on Saturday at 9 p.m. on RETV, Fame 95 FM hits 92 FM, and 1045 right here on TVJ. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Have a good one.